Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove it. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the accounts section, tap add account, then select Google. In the next step you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Now, firstly, you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then agree with terms of service. In the next step, you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. If you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want to, disable this tick and tap accept. An account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just tap select it here and tap remove account and confirm it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.